Welcome to my channel again. My name is Anne Sapore and today we shall be doing edible gold leaf. By the way, compliments of the season. You know, gold is one of the Christmas colors and this is the time that we really need it on cakes in various forms. A true edible gold leaves or through painting it on your cakes with gold dust. So I have a tutorial for you. Let's go into it right now. To make your edible gold leaf, we shall be needing CMC, edible spirit, water, and some gold dust. I shall be measuring 4 tablespoons of water into my CMC. And then mix it thoroughly. It might look a bit clumpy, but just keep at it until thoroughly mixed. Add 1 teaspoon of edible spirit to your mixture and keep mixing. When your mixture is almost thoroughly mixed, add 1/3 teaspoon of gold dust and continue mixing. If this is your first time of coming to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, now is the time to quickly look below and press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like our video, share our video, and make comments. We'll be happy to listen to your comments and reply to them. Also, don't forget to press the notification button so that you know when we post videos like this. With your paste thoroughly mixed, it's time to spread. So you must have prepared your acetate sheet because it has to be that. It can't be anything else because it's going to stick to it. Spread it everywhere. Empty your spread. It doesn't matter if it's thick in some parts or light on some sides. Just make sure that you spread it thoroughly. And then I allowed my own to air dry for 24 hours. So this is how it looks when it is dry. You can see that the sides that are thick are okay, and I even tried to start peeling it to see if it can come off. It's not sticky, the colors are not coming off, you can see it. This is our edible gold leaf and it's ready to be peeled out. I'm super excited about this discovery. I actually found this recipe on the internet and I decided to try it out. And the recipe actually called for 3 tablespoons and I found out that was a little bit too thick. I managed to make the recipe work for me. In fact, I gave up along the line. I thought it was not going to dry, but this is it. So for more videos, I have more videos that will be of interest to you. You can check my my channel. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like it. Remember to share it. And have yourself a wonderful, wonderful celebration with your edible gold dust. So this is me putting my edible gold leaf on my cake. I am so excited. I won't be spending money buying edible gold leaf anymore. Have yourself a wonderful day. Ciao.